Hi guys, that's me trying to make sure that I always find the camera, looking at the camera, because that's my common thing I'm not doing, looking for the camera. How is everyone doing? Thank you for joining, thank you for having a look at our vlog. I just wanted to give you a quick heads up, a quick update on the Sargassum. A lot of people are talking about it, and I just wanted to give you a quick roundup. It is there, it is not that much at this moment, but there's more to expected. If you're reading the news, they keep saying that they have installed barriers in front of certain beaches, in front of certain areas, and I am very confused. I'm very confused because they are not there. I'm just curious. I go out with a drone now for the third time, and I'm looking for some footage of these barriers, and they're just not there. Today's Sunday, and I'm trying to get some footage of these barriers, and despite that the news are claiming that they are out there, there are no barriers out there. I don't know what's going on. I don't have a clue why they would say that they are installed, that they have been installed, but they are not out there. Any idea what's going on? I will keep you posted if you are interested in what's happening here in the Yucatan Peninsula, in the Mayan Riviera, in this tourist destination. Well, then subscribe to our channel and stay up to date. Thank you for doing that. If you like what we're doing, well, spread the thing around, make the thing float in the internet, and thank you very much. Bye bye.
Next level.